To create the foundation using the primary colors, we need to go back to the color theory. In makeup, we use red, yellow, and blue as our primary colors. In my case, I will be mixing white as well. If you have a deeper skin tone, you might be using a little bit of black. I'm going to mix everything on my palette. So I'm going to start with the yellow and the red. And you see how I'm going to make like an orange shade. Now I'm going to start adding a little bit of blue. Blue is very strong, so I don't need too much to actually get a lot of color payoff. You just need to make sure you're actually mixing the colors really well so you don't get a stripy face. So we're getting to more like an orangey brown. A little bit more blue for me because I am olive, so I need the blue and the yellow. Okay, so you can see what I have created so far. It still looks a little bit red for me. To neutralize that redness, I need a little bit more yellow and a little bit more blue. So I mixed a little bit of yellow and blue, and now I'm going to mix that to that brown that I have created. And now it's starting to look a little bit more natural for my skin tone. So you can see what we got so far. Okay, so that's dark for me, obviously. So I am just going to mix a little bit of white. And it might still be a little bit yellow. So if I put a little bit of that on my skin and blend it out, still dark, and I can still see a little bit of yellow. So I'm just going to mix a little bit more white, and I need a touch of blue, and I also need a touch of red. Okay, so that's a much more natural mix for me. It more or less disappears on my skin. Okay, so now I can test and see how that color more or less disappears on my skin. So we are going to apply that. So I created a skin color. Now I can actually use that same mixture and mix a little bit of yellow, and I can create my bronzer. If I want to make that color a little bit darker, I can add a little bit of blue, red, and yellow and start the process again. That's a really nice and warm shade and could be really good for the bronzer as well. So I'm using the same brush and I'm going to apply a little bit of that on my forehead. And on the temples, a little bit on the apples of the cheeks, and some on the other side too. And now if I want to use this to create a contour, I need to apply a little bit of blue. So I am mixing a little bit of blue to that mixture because the blue is going to create like a much deeper shade, and we need the color to be cool as well. So when you're creating a contour, always need a much cooler tone. I'm going to use a different brush and I'm getting a little bit of that. And I'm just going to apply here, and you can see here how much deeper that shade is. I'm just going to stipple that out just to blend it out a little bit. And then you see how you can actually create the foundation, the bronzer, and the contour just by using primary colors. And see how I like to leave like really nice and natural as well. Like I don't like having like really sharp lines on the face. I will add a little bit on the other side too, just there, and blend that out. And I'm actually quite happy. I don't like contouring my nose, and I say that in every single video. So if you like to contour your nose, please go ahead. I don't do that to myself. And then I would just set that foundation with a little bit of translucent powder. And that's how I would finish the look. And this is how you create foundation using the primary colors. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn.